Hello guys, welcome once again to my channel. My name is Freeman and today I bring you a very prestigious opportunity, how to find skilled and unskilled work in one of the richest country in the world and certainly the richest country in Europe. Many people do not talk about this country because it's really not very popular. But interestingly, it is the richest country in Europe with the highest GDP per capita. And this country is none other than Luxembourg. Luxembourg is a country situated in Europe and shares border with Germany, France, and other countries. It's a very small country with less than 1 million people. However, it's a very rich country because one of the things is in Luxembourg, transportation is actually free. So you take all the trains and everything for free. The buses are all for free. One of the things in Luxembourg is that there is less competition with jobs, and they are also multilingual. So they speak several languages, including German, English, French, and other languages. There are jobs that do not require you speak other languages. Most of the jobs would also require that you are able to speak English. So if you have English, that is perfect for you. And they have jobs ranging from the care jobs to nursing to accounting to all the banking jobs you can find. They also have a lot of financial institutions in the country. So if you want to go into the financial sector, it's a place you need to look at. One of the things about Luxembourg is that the salaries are really very good. So if you get a job in the country, you are assured of a very good salary. So in Luxembourg, there are a lot of jobs that you can take advantage of as an international person. One of the things that have happened recently is that they've launched a website where you can upload your CV or apply for a job, and if you are qualified, you are able to get a job. So let's go into the details and see what we can expect. So to begin with, how do we get the jobs in Luxembourg? If you want to get the jobs, there are several ways that have been put in place for people to be able to get jobs in Luxembourg and move to Luxembourg. One way is to use the official website. I will show you the official website very soon. The official website is where all jobs are posted. And if you are interested in a job, you just need to apply directly on the official website. If you qualify, you'll be picked. So you have to check out the official website, which I'll put in the description. I'll also show you how to find it so that you can apply for a job there. They also have hiring agents, so they have people who hire for companies. So these hiring agents have their websites where you can go on and then upload your CV or search for the type of job you are looking for, upload your CV, and then they are able to check if you meet the requirements, and if you meet the requirements, they hire you for the company. So that is one other way to do it. So mainly you apply through the official website, or you can also apply through the agents. One other way is to apply on LinkedIn. You can search for the jobs that you are looking for on LinkedIn and skew it to Luxembourg, and you can apply directly from LinkedIn and they will reply to you if you meet the requirements. So these are the main ways that you can apply for the job in Luxembourg. The thing is now they have the official site have released a list of jobs that are high demanding in Luxembourg. So they have a list of jobs that they really want to know. And before we continue, let's go and look at this list of jobs so that we are sure that we fall in one of these jobs. So let's go look at the list of the jobs and then we can talk about how to do the application later. Before we continue, this is my channel. I talk about study abroad, scholarships, and job opportunities. You can find various job opportunities like this one. This is work permits around the world. There is also working in the UK, moving to the UK to find legit jobs as well. And also those who want to study, there are scholarship opportunities and study abroad opportunities as well. So check them out. If you have not subscribed to this channel, hit the subscribe button, and if you have subscribed, to click on the bell button. This is the website that I was talking about. This is an official website, a government official website, which you can see here, which is funded by the European Union. So this is a website where they post all the jobs. I talked about the jobs or professions that are in high demand. We can look at them here. So these are the jobs that are in high demand. So list of occupations in high demand in 2024. So this is 2024 because we are still in 2024. So if you look down here, you see there is credit and banking risk assessment. So those in the banking sector, this is in high demand. They are looking for bank customer managers. They are looking for front office financial markets, roofing and installation and restoration. So those who are into construction, you also are in high demand. Management and engineering, industrial designs and co, they are in high demand. So these are jobs that they are really looking for people to do. If you go down, you realize that there are patient hygiene and comfort care services. So there are a lot of care jobs that are in high demand. So home care aide, hospital care, and care assistant. There are also high demand for general nurses. So nurses are also in high demand. There is high demand for psychologists, social work, early childhood education. They are looking for people. So educational interventions. There's legal defense. They are looking for people in the financial analysis and engineering sector. So this is a place where they are looking for so many people as well. Human resource development. Those in IT research and development, and their subdivisions are here: business analysts, IT analyst, programmer, scientific IT analyst. All of them, you can look at them here. They are also looking for information systems advisory and project management. So this is for the year 2024. These are the jobs that are really in high demand. You can go through the list and see where you fall, and then that will be a very good opportunity for you to put in your application. So social work, nurses, they are looking for nurses as well. So please go through the list. This is a list where they are looking for the people, and these are the jobs that are in high demand. So please check it out, and then you are likely to receive a job. Now that we have looked at the high demand jobs, how do we do the application? Like I said, there are two ways. First, you apply directly on this website. So like they wrote here, say if you meet the requirements, create your profile and upload your CV. So if you check through the jobs and then you meet any requirements, then you need to create a profile. If you click here, it takes you to a place where you can create a profile and then upload your CV. In that sense, if they check your CV and you qualify for any of those jobs that they've mentioned in the list, then they contact you that they are interested in you, and then you'll be able to receive the job. So if you want to do that form of application, this is how you do it. How do we search for the jobs? This is where you put in the keywords. Maybe you are looking for nurse and all that, but for the purpose of this video, we just leave it empty and then we search. When you search, you realize that there are so many jobs. You can also filter for the sector you are looking for. There are so many sectors. You can filter for the contract type, whether a permanent contract, a fixed term contract, the contract nature, the educational level, and also work experience. If you don't have work experience, you can put without experience. So if you go down here, you see fund services, accounting, project manager, process technician. They have other jobs in junior valuation analyst, French and English speaker. They are looking for a German speaker, senior analyst, coordinator, operations officer, and all that. So you go through the list. If you meet any of the requirements, you can open the job and then you see what they are looking for. So let's look at this consolidation service officer. Let's open this job and see what they are looking for. So this was published on the 11th of August. So this is still a bit fresh. You can go through. They are looking for someone in this description. You assist clients, you support preparation of consolidation fund, and you hold a bachelor's degree in accounting. You are a recent graduate with minimal professional experience. You are an analytical person. You have a strong organizational skills. You are fluent in English. So this job is mainly in English. If you know German, it will be an asset, but that is not required. You can think outside the box and all that. So imagine you are interested in this job and they say it's in Luxembourg, work experience. You don't need work experience. You only need a bachelor's, and then required language is English. So this is a perfect job, and it's a permanent contract. So if you get this job, you are going to be employed. You don't even need experience, because most of these jobs, they will train you when you come on board. So this is it. If you are interested, what you do is you click on apply, and then you'll be asked to log in or create an account. When you create an account, then you upload your CV and your cover letter, and then that is how you do the application. So this is the website. So this is the official website part. Now this is also one of the hiring agencies. That's the Jobslu, and here too you need to log in or create an account. Then you can go down here. You see the category. So they are look at the number of jobs per category. There are so many jobs. If you're also in terms of location, these are the parts of the country, but you shouldn't worry about that. But the main thing is to look at the category of the jobs. So if we leave it open, we close this agriculture, and then we leave it open. We click here. You see there are a lot of jobs here. Some are in French, but you can target the ones that are in English, and then you are good to go. You check the ones that you meet, the ones that you think. Business intelligence engineer, this is supply chain. So if we click on this one, you can go through the details. They are looking for a permanent contract, and this was last updated on the 16th November, so that's today. Then you go through, these are the people they are looking for. You should have all this qualification, and if you do, once you do, you just need to put your email there, create an account, and then you proceed with it, and that is how you do the application. So very easy. The website is very easy. I'll put the links in the description below for you to be able to get this. So now that we know the kind of jobs that are currently in high demand in the country, and also the website that we can do the application, which is the official websites. The recruiting agency websites I'll put in the description below so that you can check those ones out. One main thing or two main things to landing these jobs is your CV and your cover letter. One thing to always bear in mind is you have to craft a very good CV that meets the Luxembourg format. So they have a format that you have to craft your CV to meet. I'll make a video on the Luxembourg format later, but you can also go online. There are sample videos that have spoken about the Luxembourg format CV. So you should craft your CV to meet the Luxembourg format, and that is one main step to applying for the jobs. The next is your cover letter. Your cover letter should also meet the Luxembourg format. They have certain specifications that you need to include in your cover letter. The cover letter should also have various keywords to the job that you are applying to. So the keywords that are mentioned in the job description, your CV and your cover letter should cover those ones, because if the keywords are not covered, maybe they will not even match the job requirement. So when you are drafting your CV and your cover letter, they should meet the requirements. They should meet the keywords that are mentioned in the job description, so that they will be able to be accepted. So draft a very good CV, draft a very good cover letter to meet the Luxembourg format, so that these jobs would be able to look at your application. So now we know how to do the application, we know the website to do, we know the jobs that are in high demand. We make our application. Assuming we get the job, what do we do next? As an international, you need a work permit to move to Luxembourg. You need a work permit to move and work in the company that you have been employed in. So one thing is, if you apply through a recruiting agency, this recruiting agency works with the company to get you a document that will prove that you are qualified to work. You are qualified to do the work that they've employed you for. And it is this document that you will use to apply for your visa or work permit from your country. So after you have gotten this job, you need to continue to work with the recruiting agency to get that letter that shows that the company couldn't find any other European who could do the exact job, or who had the same qualification as you, and therefore would want you to work with them. So with that document, you will be able to get a work permit to work in that company. If you also apply directly to the company will work directly with you to give you that document, and that document is what you will use to apply for your work permit from your country. So if you are Nigerian, you are China, you are everywhere, the document will be sent to you, and then you will go to the Luxembourg embassy in your country or their consulate and then apply for the work permit. One beautiful thing about the work permit and moving to Luxembourg is that you are able to move with your family. So if you get a job and then you are moving to Luxembourg, you can apply and then include your family, and then you move together to Luxembourg with your family. So this is a great opportunity for you to look at. You have seen the jobs that are in high demand. If you fall under these jobs, it is now on you to craft a very good application, and then if you are lucky to land this job, you'll be able to get a work permit. There is, like I said in the beginning of the video, there is less competition because there's few people in the country, and the jobs are available. So you should try and do your application, because Luxembourg is located in Europe or in the EU. If you move here, you are able to travel to all the other countries for holidays. You could also explore other countries, further jobs in other countries. For example, if you live in Luxembourg, you can travel to France, Spain, and other countries, because they are all in the EU, to maybe for holidays or also to explore other job opportunities. So this is an opportunity for you. If you fall under this category, you should try and then put your application together and explore this opportunity. All the links that I mentioned, I have put them in the description. Check them out. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe to this channel